Hi, this is Katura with BlueNotary, and today we're going to be looking at a notarial certificate jurat. Now, this is a great use case for a remote online notary because of the recorded sessions. We have to look at our state's guidelines because in some states, a statement has to be written for it to be notarized properly. But in some states, like Florida, you are allowed to notarize a verbal statement if it is recorded appropriately. So a few things to keep in mind if you're doing this sort of verbal statement session. We want to make sure our signer appears on camera clearly. We want to have them verbally state what they are swearing to. So our signer for this session is Isaiah Brooks. And let's say Isaiah is swearing to the fact that he lost his driver's license. So we want to have him say something like, I, Isaiah Brooks, swear that I have lost my driver's license. We want to give Isaiah the sworn oath, and we want to fill out this document appropriately, notating exactly what Isaiah is swearing to. So with that in mind, let's fill this out. Now, I am a New York State notary, but let's just say for this example that we're doing it in Florida. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to press T for a text box because I want to say the county is Broward. Put that there. And I'm going to put another text box and I'm going to write 10th for the 10th day of another text box for October. Another text box for 25. And by the name of the person making the statement is Isaiah. So let's press the hotkey 1 and choose Isaiah's name and put that here. Now, since I've given him the oath, I can start filling out my portion. So I'm going to drag and drop S instead of using the hotkey. And I'm going to use my name and adopt my signature. Now I want to type my name. I'm going to press 1 and do that for my name. Stretch it out there so it's readable. Now here I have the option of, if Isaiah is personally known to me, produce identification. Let's say he produced identification. I'm going to use the hotkey 3 for a little check and put that here. Now it's asking for type of identification produced. Now here I can go to menu and I can go here to participant ID and status to check what exactly Isaiah produced as identification. Let's say I checked and he produced a U.S. passport. And I can take this and put that here. And to drop my seal, I'm going to press the hotkey N and bring my seal over here. Now I also want to note on this document what Isaiah swore to. So I'm going to press the text box and I'm going to put regarding loss of driver license. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it here just so I have it on the document that I know what Isaiah swore to. Another good place to put what happened in this session is here in our menu. We're going to scroll down to add notes. And in this note, I'm going to put Isaiah swore to losing his driver license. And that way, once I press save, I'll know exactly what this session was about if I'm ever asked to produce the video of this and want to make sure it was done appropriately. So I hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.